I gotta say, that feels kind of stupid. Okay, here's the rail. And I want to put this rail right here. Okay? And I don't know if I want to put it here, or here, or here.
No.
I don't have end caps because they were so expensive and I didn't like them. They were round and I want them like a corner. So I'm gonna have to machine them.
Another day.
Yeah, another day. And luckily I bought 3 of these.
6 meters, and we need 60 centimeters.
Well, you can never have enough.
You can drill here.
I can drill anywhere.
No, you can.
I can drill anywhere.
Yes, but you have stuff here.
So what? So we drill through the stuff.
No, look at that stuff.
Here, don't scratch it. There is just a second wall behind it.
Yeah.
But we're gonna put rivet nuts in.
What?
We're gonna put rivet nuts in. So we don't need to put nuts behind it. 60 euros because it's black anodized. There's also black painted, which is only 35 euros. And also, this is the thin wall, which means it only builds up here 10 millimeters instead of 11.5. Think about how 11.5 would look really ugly. Okay, so this is the thin wall, and the thin wall also has round corners, and it has here holes for M5. So this load rating is a little lower than the heavy duty ones.
Yeah, but M5.
Yeah, it's M5, you know, and we put our 20-gallon water canister on there.
And we have a lifetime supply.
Yes, we have a lifetime supply because I thought, well, maybe I need some more. Now we're gonna stick this with double-sided tape to the car and we're done. Okay. This one?
Can you close the door?
Oh, you're already filming again?
Yeah. Can you close the door?
What? Close the what?
Door.
What door?
On your head?
That door?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Oh, it sticks really good. Oh, shit. Oh, maybe that tape is a little bit too well sticky.
Oh, shit.
Okay, start over. So, just for looks. I don't know. Or a little bit down.
No, not down.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, man. I should have used some cheaper tape.
The one I bought.
What is if I put it down a little further? I think this looks then better.
Why are you getting on my nerves?
How about this? I think all we gotta do is glue it on. That's good enough. If I would have put it on straight. Why do we have in Germany always these scales like this? They are so useless. Gotta get me a right one.
You see? Oh, I'm already at 4 minutes.
So it's all marked. I bet we're gonna run out of this tape because I've wasted so much. About body damage.
Yeah, that's like the worst thing we've ever done to him.
Yeah. I don't know what I hit on the inside. The airbag cable.
No, because it's not a 7-seater.
Yes. Oh, I can look inside.
Oh
I
shit.
can see. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna run an aluminum bracer here across over the full length. We're gonna make this 78. This here we're gonna use to make the two mounting brackets. Yeah. And this we're gonna use as a bracer.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start with this. Okay, you gotta push this in a little bit. These are countersunk rivets. Yeah. Hang on, I gotta get this sharp here.
Yeah.
Not you, I mean the rivet.
Yeah, I know.
See? Genau. And this way they sit nice and flush. So we're gonna put a little bit of glue on here.
Oh boy.
Sort of as a anti-corrosion material.
Just where?
Wipe the rest off when the nut is in.
Uh-huh.
And now we use my €50 rivet nut tool and hope that this works. Tight. How is that? It looks like it was made in the body shop here. Look at this.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
What?
Yeah, it looks good.
How can...
Yeah, yeah. You know,
It's a
looks good.
piece of art. Oh, it's beautiful. We could even sell it like this. So you have to give it a good push.
Yes,
This way I can drill through.
yes.
Oh, got the wrong drill.
Oh boy.
Lost the right one. There it is. Ready? Okay, of course, I didn't have enough tape because I wasted so much before. So we put some of this stuff here in the middle. It's gotta be really interesting to watch. You want to show the important step of putting the bolt in. I mean, next one.
Yeah, wait.
So this looks, I think, pretty darn good now.
Yes.
And then I can machine some end caps here, which are much prettier than the ones you can buy.
Do we have those in black?
No, they look good like this.
Yeah. Okay.
And what I also wanted to show is how it's reinforced on the inside. There is an aluminum strip mounted there. There, over the full length. There are my 3 holes, you know, it worked on the 3rd attempt. That's not bad for me. And this is a 50 by 3, and it's also put on with double-sided tape. It's done, right? So now we can put the car back together. This was actually the easiest job because it's like 2 bolts and the side panel comes off. The bigger job was to take the drawer out because it's so heavy. Everything is back installed here. My tray has some sort of a cable track here. So when I roll this in, it moves the cables nicely away. The other one is not gonna happen today. Okay? We know now how to do it. We're gonna do this one off camera. But it's not gonna happen today, otherwise we approach a divorce. Right? Good, we're done for today. So I've bent this exactly in the same shape as the car. So I'm gonna bolt it to the Rhino rack carrier up here and bolt it to the Airline's rail down here. And I got it exactly in the same angle as the car. So I
It
think
looks really cool.
this is gonna look good. So I'm gonna have to make a second one. See if the second one is gonna be the same shape.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this thing, wow, is that heavy? Yeah, this will work. Barely. So, okay, try it. You got the honor to do this first. Okay.
Boy.
I made them out of gray plastic. Okay.
Yeah.
So hopefully I got the angle right. It's now parallel. It's not compressing the canister. There is actually a spacer. in
Yeah, I
between.
know.
So
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, this is not too bad.
I just hope nobody steals it.
Yes, somebody will steal it, drink our water.
No,
And
but
we're gonna
it
be
looks
all
pretty
thirsty
cool.
in the desert, you know, because there's so much desert around here.
No. People.
Yeah, okay, I gotta paint them and then we're finished.
So what about the faucet?
You have to go get it. So, get it in the right angle. Something is wrong. It's one hole too far over. Now the angle needs to be perfect.
So, but you know what?
Hmm?
We don't fit through those tiny Pyrenees mountain
No, it's not.
village.
It's not protruding over the
not?
vehicle. No. Otherwise, it would have to be accepted by the TÜV.
Oh.
Okay. So, as long as you don't alter the width or the length or the height of the vehicle,
Yeah,
but if this would be permanently mounted, it would have to be accepted by the TÜV.
but it's not.
No, it's
No.
it's removable.
Yeah.
So, and this is also considered removable because it's an airline's rail. And airline's rails is something for strapping. So, that's it.
Very nice.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, it looks
And
really
this
cool.
cost us now
75.
75,
75?
795, 49,
Yeah,
one
but
of-
we spent
Yeah.
more.
49. One of the bolts is, I think almost 4 euros,
Really?
8 euros.
Yeah.
And then the rails were free from our never
Ending
ending
aluminum,
supply shop. Okay, so this is it. And we can flip it around and put a solid cap on it, and we can put diesel in it. But where we are going, we don't really need diesel, so we put water in it. But this looks pretty good.